Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going back to CodeSignal to work on the SQL database coding exercises. If you're joining this in the middle of the playlist, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below so you can start from the beginning if you wish. Otherwise I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go to the arcade, not Python, databases, sorry. And we were in this table metamorphosis and courses description here. So we have to put in the code in the ellipses, which was these two lines here. So you work with a professor of applied mathematics and informatics to create and distribute this year's plan of courses for students. You're almost finished when you notice a couple of fixes yet need to be done. There are courses which names are marked as -to remove. So you decided to remove them permanently. Prior to removing them, you'd like to make sure that deleting a course would also remove it from all the related tables automatically. All courses are stored in courses table that has the following structure. So there's an ID, there's a unique name of the course, which may end in this -to remove, which means the course is about to be removed. And then there's a description. There are also group courses and group exams table, which represent courses assigned to groups, and exam dates of courses for each group respectively. Here are their structures. So it's just got a group ID, and that matches with the course ID from the other table, the courses table. And then group exam has a date, group ID, and a course ID, so that course ID would match with the courses table. Given courses, group courses, and group exams table, you need to properly set up foreign keys so that after a record is deleted from the courses table, records that correspond to the deleted course are also deleted from group courses and group exams. Please note that group exams can only contain pairs from group courses, and there can be multiple exam dates for the same group ID or course ID combination. It is guaranteed that adding correct foreign keys won't raise any errors. Okay. So this is what the courses look like. So you can see here, the last one here has that -to remove, so this one's going to be deleted. So that's course ID number 4. So what they want is from this group courses, they want you to find 4 and also delete this row, and find from here course ID 4 and delete this group exams row. So when you're done, they want you to, you can see over here, it's going to do a union of group courses and group exams and show their group ID and course ID. Alright, so that's what we have to do. So they've already done most of the work for us. So they put in this alter table statement on group courses. They're adding a foreign key based on the course ID of the group courses. So on this line you have to set up the reference of that to the courses ID. So this tells them that this ties back to the primary key of the courses table. So this would be what they're looking at, and this statement says on delete cascade, which means when they delete this number 4 row, anything that matches that course ID will also be deleted from the group courses table. Alright, so primary key to foreign key, this is just basically the columns that you would join typically. So if you're going to join this courses table to the group courses table, you would usually do an inner join from the ID to the courses ID in the group courses. So in the courses table, this ID is the primary key, and then in the group courses, this course ID is the foreign key. And then do the same thing with group exams. So they're setting up a foreign key that has the course ID from group exams, and that references the ID from the courses table, and this tells it that on delete is going to be a cascading delete, like I mentioned with the other one. And then this statement just says from the courses table, you're going to delete where the name is like. So anything that ends with -to remove in the name field, so that would be just this one in this example, that will be deleted. So they can have any information before that. This percent means any number of any characters of any length can be before that to remove. And then it's just going to return the group ID and course ID from both the group courses and the group exams. Alright, so if we run that, looks like that works. Alright, I hope you guys were able to follow that and you now know how to do a cascading deletion using a foreign key. And I hope you join me for future videos. Thank you very much.